tremble and faint before the God of the earth. For he is the living God and steadfast forever, and his kingdom of which shall not be destroyed, and his dominion shall be even unto the end.
Praise God! At Junior! Asa nakita? Praise God mga igsoon. Atong